Hello, welcome to the HeiDoc YouTube channel. So this took a long time since my last video. This was not because of the missing screw here. This arrived just a couple of days after my last video. So it's a bit late because of quarterly tax and exams and holidays. So summer break is over and new videos are going to be on a regular basis again. So I've not tried out this 3D printer. It's fully assembled. I've done a lot of reading of tutorials, and I know how to prepare. But this now is going to be a first. So I hope it's going to end up on my channel and not on Fail Army. I've not plugged this device in yet. So what you need to do before you start printing, from what I've seen online, you need to make sure this nozzle here is not going to scratch the heat bed, and to make sure it doesn't, you have to adjust here these screws in the corners and make sure it's always slightly above this heat bed, so you can move everything, including a piece of paper that's in between. And the second important thing is this switch here. So this will prevent the printer from going further down. So the switch must be hit by this screw here. Otherwise the print head will scratch the heat bed. So the file, I've put the file on SD. Here it needs to be in the G-code format. Maybe I'll do a video later how to make these files from 3D models that you download from the internet, and the file goes on the SD card, and then the SD card needs to go into this reader here, and it's in. Now let's see. Right. And the filament. It nowhere says in which of these two holes it must go. So that's going to be a 50% chance. Let's try. Fits better in this one, so let's try that. Make sure it's really tight. Yeah, looks good, feels good. Now the big moment. Right. It says it's ready, but I don't think it has recognized the SD card. Let's just try. What can we do here? No SD card. Right. Maybe try it like that. No. Okay. Card inserted. Then let's give it a try. Let's prepare. Maybe preheat the heat bed. I don't know. Let's give that a try. let's preheat here. And preheat the bed. Temperature goes up. Yep, I can feel the heat going up. So, it doesn't seem to be able to read that file. Okay, I'll check what's going on the SD card, and I'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, I'm back. So this is literally the oldest SD card I could find, a 4 GB SanDisk. I formatted it as standard FAT, and now it's working. So that's the source of error here. So the fancy Samsung cards, they don't seem to be supported. So here it says card inserted, and here it gives me the option to print from SD. And here's the file, a Penrose triangle. If you don't know what it is, you will see shortly. And bed is heating. So this is going to start soon, I hope. I'll start filming again once it gets going. See you in a couple of minutes. So it just started. Took about 3 or 4 minutes. And I think now the printer's testing in each direction how far the bed and the printhead go in each direction. And it's supposed to be doing something. Wrong hole. Definitely wrong hole. Okay, start all over again. So that's going to be a hard reset. Okay. And try that. And let's go again. Right, so here it says it's printing. However, nothing. There's nothing coming out from the printhead, and the filament is stuck firmly here. Can't get it out. Oh no, now it's coming. Now it's coming. And of course it's not stuck to the heat bed, because the heat bed is already a couple of millimeters away from the printhead. and you see the stuff coming out there. Right, this is not as expected. This is just creating a mess here. It's quite awful. Right. So I will need to find a way how to reset the print that has already started, and then do it all over. So this was how not to do 3D printing on your first attempt. Hopefully the next video will be better, will not be so messy as this one here coming out. Okay, thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.